your job, want out in 12 months without burning out or going broke? I'm breaking down 5 real side hustles that start with skills you already have. No money, no followers, just strategy. This isn't start a dropshipping empire or invest in crypto before midnight.
Don't be so gullible, McFly.
Come on, you're smarter than that. If your goal is gas money, sure, go flip apps. But if your job is draining your soul, you don't need pocket change. You need a plan to escape. Every month you wait is another paycheck controlled by someone else. That's the real risk. Grab your phone, open your notes app, write down 3 things people have paid you for, thanked you for, or asked you for help with. That's your business. You're not starting from scratch, you're starting from skill. Here's what we'll cover: how to turn one skill into an offer, how to get paid with 0 tools, how to build momentum that doesn't rely on algorithms, and how people are quitting their jobs doing this. Let's go. Side hustle number 1, resume writer. No, you don't need a degree. If you've ever helped someone land a job with a better resume or LinkedIn profile, congrats. You're already more qualified than half the people charging for it. Most resumes boring, outdated, or trying way too hard. If you can position someone's strengths, you become their secret weapon.
I am pretty good with numbers.
Great, you're hired.
Offer ideas, resume rewrites, LinkedIn upgrades, interview prep, bundle it as a career jumpstart package. Shay rewrote 1 line in a stranger's LinkedIn bio. He landed an interview in 6 days, paid for a full resume redo, and referred 2 friends. Free value turned into 3 clients. Scale it. Turn your best material into a downloadable template or paid mini workshop. Want my exact resume prompt for ChatGPT? Drop resume in the comments. Let's move to hustle number 2. Side hustle number 2, digital templates. Made a checklist, budget, resume, or planner in Canva? You're sitting on digital gold. People don't want more info, they want shortcuts. Templates are shortcuts. Bestsellers, resume kits, social post bundles, planners and Notion dashboards, pricing calculators, email scripts. Sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, Payhip, or Creative Market. Yes, people make $500 to $5,000 per month from templates made in a weekend. Sarah turned a simple checklist into a $9 Canva template. 1 Instagram post, first sale in 24 hours. By month's end, $200 passive. Scale it. Turn 1 product into a bundle. Add a tutorial. Collect emails. Upsell a premium pack. Make it once. Sell it 100 times. Templates equals leverage. Let's move to hustle number 3. Side hustle number 3, coaching in a niche skill. And no, you don't need to be certified, famous, or a guru. If you've helped someone get a result, even casually, you're qualified. People don't want a guru. They want someone 2 steps ahead who can walk them through the shortcut. What to coach: productivity, mindset, Canva, writing, freelancing, parenting, meal planning, budgeting, anything you've figured out that others still struggle with. Melissa turned her homeschool routine into a 3-step coaching system. 2 free sessions to a $197 package to a full group via 5 DMs. Scale it. Start one-on-one. Then run a group workshop, record a mini course. Add asynchronous support with Voxer or email. The best coaches don't have all the answers. They ask the right questions and give people shortcuts they'd gladly pay for. Let's move to hustle number 4, where you make money by being the brains, not the hands. Side hustle number 4, the micro agency model. This one's for the thinkers, the systems people. I like control, but not chaos crowd. You don't need to do the work. Just sell the result and manage delivery. You're not the chef. You own the restaurant. What to offer: social media management, sales funnel setup, copywriting, virtual assistant packages, or even local services, landscaping, plumbing, snow removal. You coordinate, you get paid. Jennifer booked lawn jobs under her brand, but hired pros to do the work. She kept 30%, doubled her income, and never touched a mower. Scale it. Use Calendly or Google Forms to onboard. Get testimonials, raise rates, add a VA when you grow. Comment agency and I'll send you a free prompt to build your first offer, pricing, and onboarding system. What if you don't want clients, calls, or a team? Then hustle number 5 might be your new favorite. Side hustle number 5, affiliate content funnels. If you're already recommending tools to people, why not get paid for it? You don't need to be famous, just helpful. Show how a tool solves a problem and add your affiliate link. That's it. No clients, no calls, just content that earns while you sleep. Example posts. How do I plan content? Use this tool. Made this video with, insert the link below. Want my setup? Download it free. Becky shared how she organizes content in Notion. One short video transformed into 6 affiliate signups and passive income, all from 15 minutes of effort. Scale it. Turn helpful posts into a free guide, then build a list and then promote tools through email. Comment affiliate and I'll send you a prompt to build your first passive funnel in 10 minutes. Let's wrap it up. There you have it. 5 real side hustles you can start right now using skills you already have. You don't need funding, you don't need followers, you just need a plan. That's why I created the 30-day business launch plan. It's a free step-by-step guide that walks you through turning any of these into a real income stream in 30 days. Grab it below. Start today and let me know in the comments which hustle you're starting first. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe. I've got more videos coming that show you how to build a business that actually fits your life. See you in the next one.
Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next video. We drop new step-by-step tutorials like this every week.